This is AskSAMIE. We give you multiple ways to get answers to real-life questions. First, if you know the name of what you're looking for, just type it in the search box. Our clinicians use that a lot. If you have a general question, you can ask it to our AI, SAMIE, and we'll give you connections to resources, education, and the actual adaptive equipment, which you can find on the site. If you want a more structured method of getting answers, you can use our free on-demand assessment. We narrow big problems into 6 particular areas, and you get to answer just a few simple questions about the problems the person is having. And sometimes in as little as 3 clicks, you can get the solutions. So there's services that you might want to connect with, along with products that we would recommend for the problem area. And you can easily jump back into the quiz and answer your questions for other problem areas. And then if a more hands-on approach is needed, you can actually schedule a virtual home assessment with an occupational therapist so you can get answers specific to the person's problem right away.